Hi guys, I'm Lillian.
And I'm Felipe.
And we are the Postmodern family.
We are Americans living in the UK searching for Great Britain.
We make 3 new videos every week and we would love it if you subscribe to our channel.
In this episode, we're going to talk about our snow experience in Buffalo, New York a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. So we went to visit my mother, who lives in Buffalo, and while we were driving there, it was about a 6-hour drive from Philadelphia. So Doris is really excited about the snow, and as we're driving there, and there's like no snow in sight. But as we arrived, there were some dirty piles of leftover snow from like a week or 2 weeks of snow and then like nothing.
Yeah.
But she kept saying, "Oh, can we go play out in the snow?
In the dirty snow."
And we're like, no. But thankfully, the last 2 days of our stay, there was a snowstorm. Wow! Look at all the snow. Go ahead. Look, it's blowing the wind. Blustery. Just go down. Whee! And so one morning we woke up and it was like covered in snow out there. Very windy and very cold. Did you like it?
And who woke you up to show you the snow?
You did.
I did. And what did we do outside?
We made a snowman.
And what else did we do?
We played snowball.
We had a snow fight, didn't we? Yeah.
When was the last time you saw snow? Do you remember?
I think last Christmas. Or the Christmas before last Christmas.
Maybe 2 years ago? Yeah. Where there was snow here in the UK. And we made a little tiny snowman. Right?
Do you remember that?
Yeah, but we couldn't do the eyes and the nose and the mouth.
So Popo helped you with that, right?
Helped us with
With giving you a nose?
Yeah.
And what did you use for the eyes this time?
We used pieces of a branch. So they were like poking out. Little sticks coming out.
Yeah, but my mom, who's Popo to her, was really worried about them catching cold and
Catching coronavirus
it
from
was
the
just
snow.
so cold outside. She was just worried about the wind. And in fact, Humphrey went out for about 5 minutes, and then he came inside, and all he could say was cold.
Not robust.
Cold.
Not robust at all.
And so I was happy with him to join me back inside the house because I didn't go out at all. I was not interested really. I've seen enough snow in my lifetime. I don't think I need any more.
It's experience.
Did you enjoy it?
I did, yeah. So we
Did
built.
you make snow angels?
No, we built a snowman. It more looked like
a snow
cake.
cake.
a snow cake. Yeah, it was circular tiers, 3 circular tiers, and then we had a snow fight. But then you were getting upset because I kept hitting you, didn't you? Were you hitting me?
On the leg. And
Sometimes,
on the
right? But
good.
I kept hitting the target, didn't I?
But Daddy, you once missed.
I did miss once.
I ran away.
Oh, you dodged it.
So yeah.
But it was very cold. And then when we got back in, Doris was promised some hot chocolate by my mother. And it just so happened that the Keurig stopped working. So my mom had to make some weird hot chocolate out of like the microwave or something.
Was it any good?
But it was, did you like it? Yeah. Hot chocolate is one of your favorites, isn't it?
It's my favorite.
It is your favorite. Your favorite drink? What's your favorite hot drink and cold drink?
My favorite cold drink. It's hard to tell. I don't think I have one. Favorite hot drink. Again,
Tea.
hard to tell. Tea, I say, yeah. But that's just your go-to.
Yeah.
I wouldn't like if I was about what's a special hot drink you could have, any special hot drink on occasion.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it would be probably like a caramel latte. Is that hot? Caramel
could
latte.
be.
And then cold drink would be the double chip mocha frappuccino.
Oh,
from
Java chip.
Java chip. Yeah. Double blend, Java chip, Frappuccino.
What about you?
But this was a drink that a colleague of mine, a friend of mine in college or university, was like, you've got to try. This is the best Java chip Frappuccino from Starbucks. And then I tried it, and it really was that good.
Really was.
And so since then, that's the only thing I want to order from Starbucks. However, they don't have it here in the UK Starbucks. They don't have Java chip Frappuccino. So I haven't figured out what I'm ordering there yet.
So is that your favorite cold drink?
Ooh.
Or is
I
it
love
the
bubble
Austin
tea.
Powers?
That's a hot drink.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
Austin
right.
Powers is a hot drink. That was a university drink. It was 1/3 hot chocolate, 1/3 chocolate milk, and 1/3 coffee. It's fantastic.
What is that?
It's called the Austin Powers from Hendrick's Chapel Cafe.
But yeah, anyway, cold drink. Yeah, bubble tea, probably.
What about your hot drink?
An Austin Powers, maybe. Yeah, or like what is it? A mocha with a shot of Bailey's.
A mocha boca.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments if you like snow and if you would like this kind of video. I guess it's a strange mix between a vlog and like a reaction.
Yeah.
But yeah, we look forward to your comments.
If you enjoy what we do, you can always become a patron at patreon.com/thepostmodernfamily.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.